Hey everyone, Jason Case here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to segment your contacts based on their interest and behaviors to allow you to market to them more effectively. Now, to do this, you'll need to have a CRM and marketing automation in place. And before you start building things out, you really need to understand the types of segmentation. So how you'll be segmenting your audience out to market to them. So here are the four most common types. Demographics, so their age, gender, marital status, income, education, etc. Now, you might not even need this type of segmentation. It just all depends on the type of business you have and how you'll be marketing to them. Their geographic location is another type of segmentation. So what country are they located in? Their state, their city. What are their behaviors? So the interest based on how they engage with your content, their purchase behavior, and so on. What are their needs? What types of products and services that you offer are they interested in? What's their timeline of purchasing from you? So these are all good things to understand before you actually start setting up your segmentation. So when you start setting up your segmentation, you'll be utilizing a combination of these methods. So tagging. So tags will allow you to segment out your contacts into different lists. Data. So data is really important based on the fields that you utilize in your CRM system. A lot of CRM systems will allow you to set up custom fields, and you use this data, these custom fields, to segment out your audience. If the easiest way to do this is with forms. And if you missed my video from yesterday, go check that out. I talk about all about form automation and utilizing fields on that form to segment out your audience. And that can trigger different types of automation. List. So a lot of CRM systems use list. Essentially, tags will do the same thing, but some CRM systems specifically use list for segmentation. Engagement. So you can segment your contacts based on their engagement, how they're engaging with your emails. Are they opening your emails? Are they clicking links and other types of engagement? So once you understand this, then you can actually go in and start setting up your automation to automate this, because you don't want to do this manually. You'll never have enough time to do that. So I'm going to actually show you how to do this in our platform, Pulse Technology, which is a CRM and marketing automation platform. However, you can accomplish this in any other marketing automation and CRM system as well. If you don't have a CRM system in place and you need to utilize one, feel free to reach out. We can get you set up as low as $49 a month. And it includes everything, all your marketing automation, reporting, CRM system, email marketing, text message marketing, the whole 9 yards. So feel free to reach out if that's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to jump over here into workflows. I got an example segmentation workflow set up here. So you'll need something that triggers this workflow. Right here, I'm just using like a test tag, trigger segmentation workflow for this example. However, a lot of times you'll be utilizing forms to trigger the segmentation. So once a form's submitted, then you'll use that to filter contacts through different segmentation types based on the data that they entered into that form, right? So you'll have some decision logic. And I set up some examples here. So this decision branch is going to check a custom field of the services that they're interested in. So do the services that they're interested in contain one-on-one coaching? So you can also do or logic here too, consulting or one-on-one coaching, right? Or you could say does not contain this, right? So, and you can add and this conditions as well. We're going to keep it as is for now. And another decision logic could be tags, right? So if the tags contain this, or does not contain this, you can also add and this conditions and add field logic here too, right? So if you wanted to break this down based on address, you could put maybe their state, right? If their state equals Ohio or whatever. So that gives you an idea of some of those segmentation types. You can also do engagement segmentation as well. So are they engaged with your emails? Are they clicking on links and so forth? All right, so we're going to use this as a test workflow to kind of show you how this works. So there's some jump triggers here too. So if they go in here based on other logic, we can remove them from this sequence and advance them further down and segment them even further. So if they click the link, maybe they're more engaging and they click the link on an offer and you want to send them into another sequence to engage with them based on their needs, then you can do that. Maybe they approve the quote, right? And you want to stop that sequence and move them further along in the process. A project board status change. So this is unique to our system, and I'll show you that in a minute. However, in another system, this might be a move from one pipeline stage to another. So that can move them further down and segment them out further. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. So I'm going to use Abigail as a contact here, and I'm just going to apply this trigger tag so you can see how this works. So I'm going to save this, and let's go into this workflow and see how this happens. All right, so you'll notice that these conditions did not pass, right? She did not meet these conditions, meaning that the consulting services that she's interested in did not match this criteria. And she did not have this tag applied. However, she did have this condition met. So she was engaging with emails. So it is going into the sequence, and you notice it's orange, meaning this sequence is active, and these conditions are going to go ahead and fire. And then if a trigger happens, it will stop this sequence and move them further in. So that jump trigger is a project management status being changed to hot. So let's go ahead and change the status to hot and watch how this happens. So if we refresh this, you'll notice that just like that, it triggered other automation here and it stopped that sequence. It's red, and it moved it further down the sequence into this one, right? So that's how the power of segmentation and automation works. Now, the reason this is important is because each of these different sequences can have different types of emails that are tailored to their interest, right? Personalized emails tailored to what their interests are. So hopefully this helps give you an understanding of how marketing and automation can really simplify this process and help convert more sales for you. So if you find this content valuable, please do me a favor and give it a like, give it a share. This allows me to keep on producing more content like this and helping me share these types of resources with you. So take care, everyone.